Okay, we're making a short video with the APX 4000 with the Bluetooth microphone kit. Basically, as your up and down volume, emergency button, power on off button, your PTT button, and
we're clear.
it's actually got a little flashlight at the bottom, utility light. To compare it, you have to line up these dots. You have to line up these little blue dots together. So when you line them up, that's how it pairs. Get your swivel clip, mount to your lapel with your loop, and you got earphone jack. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The APX 4000 with the Bluetooth mic kit. All right, happy trails.